Here on Friday, my hair looks like nothing. It's not even black anymore. I know. It's gray outside, just like my hair. Who cares? Anyways, it's Friday. It's setup day for the RepRap 2026. Everybody's setting up. So let's go inside and see all of these setup today. So there we have Akuma Mods, the resin 3D printing god. We have here Prusa 3D setting up their booth. Look at that. I mean, look at this here. Deadpool. Here's the index, of course. The beautiful index tool changer on a scale, on a tiny scale at this moment. It is looking amazing. So there's the main entrance. There's a guy. Hey,
How's it going?
how's it going? Food trucks are going to be here as well. That is looking very beautiful. I hope you can catch it. Some volunteers going around with the steps. Everybody's still setting up, as you can see. That is looking very nice.
Have that answer?
V1 engineering.
Okay. Sorry.
Here's Armor Turtle, AFC. Hi. West 3D is setting up here as well. Then we have here the wall of a Voron design with some amazing printers. This looks very nice. There we have a smaller one, and dummy 13 on it. Green Gate is also setting up. Here we have the big Voron, the Phoenix IDEX. I love this. It's so big. Yep, that's what she said. People are all setting up here. Nice crystal dragons. Some more cool stuff here.
Do it if it didn't rely on people.
So a lot of course, because of Friday, everybody's still setting up. So empty tables. This is the swap meet. So basically, you can put here your 3D printer and then sell it, just like this here. Here, some pallets. Pallet 2. I always wanted to have one of those, but now I don't. Yeah. We have got here a positron from Justin, the positron V3.2. He tried to sell it to me, and I said no because I don't know. Then we got here some more stuff. Very nice. So just like this, name is on there and what it is and what the price is going to be. So yeah, people can pick it up and buy it from the person on the card. So we have here also some other makers, companies setting up their stuff. That is really looking interesting.
Looks a little different than what I've been seeing on the.
But we will see it later on in action, what it exactly does do.
Supposed to be good and everything. Yeah, my feet know so that everything's completely replaceable. We don't.
I don't know this guy, but he's awesome. LED.
Check it out. This is my forever flashlight.
Forever flashlight. Okay, now we have all a mark on the screen.
Giant rocket.
Giant rocket, missing the nose tip, I guess.
Power bank.
Power bank.
So it's got two 22-watt boards on it. So you can charge it at 40 watts and you can charge two 20-watt devices simultaneously.
Nice. Thank you. So further, we have here some other 3D printers standing. Of course, this is a 3D print event, so nothing too crazy. This does look not very intriguing. I bet this print is going really fast.
I always got the easy one now. Now I got
Very nice table.
How's things been for y'all?
You can also play arcade games here. I tried it. I did not win, of course, but it's fun. If you are very hungry, there is a nice place to get some food. Maybe I do want it. So all makeup chips from last year's. So this is from 2025 all the way till oh, they are mixed up. But they're really looking nice. And there is one of mine, Jantek. I know this and this one and this one. I know a lot of people here. That's nice. Cool.
And still gets a network.
Yeah, and it is also taking a lot of table space as well.
Yeah.
He's a good guy. He'll find something.
Oh, not a camera setup. Getting some wrinkles out of the tablecloth.
Many wrinkles out.
Very handy. We don't have those in the Netherlands.
They're against the law or something? Or?
I don't know. Something stupid, maybe. I don't know.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Steamers. Inexpensive little steamer. Because you can burn yourself.
Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. So further, Retro Maker. I know from last time he had some amazing stuff here.
Hello.
I think he's still setting up like everybody else. Oh, this is nice. I think I saw it somewhere before.
What do you want us to?
Some other cool models here as well. Sonic. Look at these details. So ready. Still setting up, of course.
Yes, exactly. Dual table here. One side bacon.
That's really nice. Let's see.
We only have one white one.
Yeah, we have print cake kits and Coca press. That is really looking fancy. Oh, printer as well. Very cool. Fabrico also setting up here. But of course, everybody's setting up, so that's nothing new. Hyperdrive design. Very beautiful.
Actually, print some real quick off because you're just can't film it from dinner.
Of course, Big 3 Tech and BQ. All doing unboxing stuff. That's so nice. Then we have here Q-Force and Ajax 3D.
So wide. This is your project.
How to Texan. Also here. Princeps.
Not doing anyone with other plan yet. Not until
Then in the south, and then in the south hall, we have Tripod Garage with the excavator and some cool laser engraving stuff.
Black first and red.
Very nice.
Yes, I will.
Polymaker setting up here.
Hi, yeah, how was rapping?
Yeah. Have to talk to some companies I were talking to and
He's 3D, print better. He's all finished up, but I mean, I think I'm missing still something. Yeah, like mentioned, everybody's just dropping in, setting up. We on 3D with their beautiful 3D printer here. Howdy. Still some empty tables here in the South Hall. Jeff is going to be set up over there, and I think that the rest of Gloop is being there as well. So this is the other side to drop in. And of course, the Lamborghini Huracan. No, sorry, Aventador. Sorry guys, don't hate me for this, but it is looking so beautiful. So if you don't have any inspiration to do for 3D printing stuff, I mean, you don't have an excuse, right? I mean, buy a 3D printer, large size, and start printing out stuff. And this is not just one piece. This is multiple pieces glued together, and then all the post-processing in order to get this size of a car. It's not that hard. Some other people setting up here as well. All lights and shiny stuff. Just dealing with this
Part be blocked off.
scooter.
So their thing is probably. Yeah.
Then we have Protopasta setting here up. And Print Talk. Not really sure if they are live at this moment, but some nice plates.
bamboo filament.
Snap maker. Of course, with the same plates. Maybe I'm going to buy one of those. Deposition sound. Still need to get my hands on one. Looking very nice. Well, if you wonder, this looks very light, but it's not the lightest. Then, of course, we have also the Recreator with some new stuff. He asked me to drop by later on when he is all set up. Of course. Some beautiful extrusions in all sorts of colors. Pretty ones. Like here. Look how beautiful that looks like. Then we have bearded printer here with some beautiful models as well.
So I need to revisit this so it doesn't hide. So they probably put them like on a track.
Went down over there.
And then we have here STL Denise. Trying to do something here, working on the spinner maker coins.
Said scooter motor. Let's spin this up to 8,000 RPMs.
And then you have the smaller ones as well. Let's see. And then we have here push plastics. Just like mentioned, not everything is set up yet. Everybody is dropping in. Some people are waiting on stuff to arrive as well, because that can happen as well. So yeah. That is a short overview for now. Maybe I will do this later today as well, or maybe in the next video. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because there is more content to come here on YouTube above Rocky Mountain RepRap Fest 2026.